This is the Weld Laguna. So this is the size 20 by 10.5, 501/27, 78.1 center bore, offset plus 13 Laguna. It's a 6 1/4 inch backspacing, gloss black with milled. Whenever you shop on this 20 by 10.5, you shop part number S10700573625. It'll take you straight to this wheel. And let's say if you want the fronts, because this is like an OBS setup or C10 setup in the 5 lug, the 20 by 8 comes in a 0 offset, 51/27, 78.1 center bore with a 4.5 inch backspacing, 0 offset. Shop S10708073450. It'll take you straight to this wheel. So I'm going to showcase front and rear on this wheel so you guys can take a look at it and let me know. Well, first I want to show you the lip sizes front and rear so that way you guys know about this wheel. So take this bad boy out. Showcase it. Here you go. This is your 10.5. Okay. Gloss black, milled windows, pop-in center cap, conical seat lug nuts will go right on. If you have TPMS, it'll go right on too. Let me tell you the lip size on it. So this is the 10.5. You're about almost 4 inches, so 3 3/4. That's from the face. Nice looking wheel. So here's your 20 by 10.5. I'll showcase 20 by 8 for you. So let me open the box. This is 20 by 8. Also, guys, don't forget, comment below what you guys think about this wheel. So here's your 20 by 8 inch wheel. Let me remove the box here. This is a 20 by 8. Live in the flesh. You guys can see the difference in the lips in the front and the rear. Let me give you the lip size on the 20 by 8. So you're about 3 inches from the face. So you have 3 inches on the 20 by 8. And what was it? It was about almost 4 on the rear. So 3 and 4, you guys got it. 20 by 8. This will fit really well on those OBSs, on those C10s. Front and rear, nice staggered look. I can't, you know, the Weld did a really good job on this style. That's nice machining on the outside, and gloss black on the face. Pop-in center cap. So for those guys that have like that big grease cap. If you guys are looking for this style or maybe anything else, feel free to give us a shout. My name is Ralph, and we'll be happy to help. Thank you, guys. Hey guys, I'm Ralph with Tires Wheels Direct, and don't forget, subscribe right below our YouTube channel. We'll be showcasing many wheels that we saw on Tires Wheels Direct and this one right here.